The most common form of reward-based crowdfunding is rewards and perks. This type of funding is usually used for products already in development and need a little more help. For example, people can get one of the product's final editions or one of its early editions with an extra perk included. Here is our list of the best perks reward-based crowdfunding sites. Number 1. Bonfire. Bonfire combines the power of modern online fundraising with the joy of classic t-shirt sales to create a unique crowdfunding experience. For fundraisers, custom t-shirts can be produced in a variety of styles and sold through Bonfire. The design process is streamlined and stress-free, allowing for a quirky and personalized fundraising effort. Bonfire's events team also hosts a pre-event gallery preview to help fundraisers get excited about their new designs. Number 2. ABC Fundraising. ABC Fundraising is a company that provides fundraising solutions to schools, churches, and other organizations. ABC Fundraising has two main fundraising programs, the ABC Candle Program and the ABC Popcorn Program. When fundraisers sell candles or popcorn through their program, they make a percentage of the proceeds. Number 3. Teespring. Millions of unique apparel items manufactured by the Teespring team in Kentucky are sold each month on their crowdfunding website. The design process is easy with Teespring, just choose your colors and upload your artwork to start fundraising. Teespring also sells merchandise for popular events like festivals, concerts, and sports teams. Number 4. Represent. For people who are looking for an intuitive crowdfunding platform to design and sell t-shirts to raise money for their cause, Represent offers a sustainable way to do so. Users can create campaigns with all the necessary tools needed, like pinpointing how much they want to raise, what kind of products they want to produce, the campaign's timeline, and much more. The company also guides potential campaigners on how to get started. Read the full article, The Best Crowdfunding Sites, Top 50 Ranked by Type. The URL is crowdfundingbum.com/best crowdfunding sites. Again, that URL is crowdfundingbum.com/best crowdfunding sites.